Hey guys, welcome to Ushuaia and welcome to Molo's vlog. Today is my first time out in Ushuaia ever since I joined the Sapphire Princess, which is doing all South America. Right now we are just looking for some tours to take and I'll keep you posted, so follow me. In today's vlog, we'll explore the southernmost city in the world, Ushuaia. We'll be stepping back aboard the famous end-of-the-world train, cruising through the raw, untouched landscapes of Tierra del Fuego National Park. The echoes of history and the whispery winds of Patagonia will be our companions on this ride. And we can't miss exploring the vibrancy and spirit of Ushuaia city, with its picturesque streets, delicious food, and warm welcoming locals. So from where the world ends, join me as we unravel the mysteries, embrace the culture, and dive into the thrilling wilderness. Let's do this! We're currently at the terminal. You can see our ship at the back, and we just found the tour which will take us to the national park. The tour is $110 and included it's a ride with a train along the national park and some other places which I'll show you along this video, so keep up with me and let's see how my tour for today goes. And we just hopped on the bus on the way to the national park. Hi girls, this is Leslie and Ronewa. These are my friends from the ship. We work together. So we just got our first snacks. It's a water from the glacier. It's called Anoka. And also snacks. This is a sweet sandwich which I'm about to try now because I'm super hungry and I haven't had any breakfast. I haven't even had water, no coffee, no nothing, so guys, Ushuaia is the city of the end of the world, so we are taking the train, Tren de Fin del Mundo, which is train of the end of the world. Interesting. Cannot wait. I'm super excited.
This is premium. This is just the one that we're gonna take.
I want the premium. So now I just found out that we could have taken the premium package, which was so in the premium package you have the food included, and the train looks so much nicer with the tables, but instead we're taking one of this. We didn't know, so that's fine. But now my heart is crying. I want that one. We're inside a train station, which is quite busy. We ordered coffee to go and also empanadas. We are inside the train station, and what you can find here is a souvenir store right over there, and also a coffee shop. I just bought my souvenirs and I'm just waiting for them to call my train number so we can hop on. It's quite busy, the train station. There is a lot of tourists. I just came outside for some fresh air. It's very crowded inside. Also, I had my coffee and I had an empanada. It was quite cheap. It was 1,000 pesos, which is around $3. I also had got some souvenirs. Hi! That lady was distracting me. So yeah, I had some souvenirs as well, also very cheap. They were like for $1. I'm super excited for the train. Ever since I got here, ever since I heard about the train, I've been very excited to take it. As I mentioned before, the train is called Tren del Fin del Mundo, train of the end of the world. Okay, so this place is full with flags, and I just found the Costa Rican flag and the Albanian flag. So right there we have Costa Rica, it's also labeled on top, most importantly, and the Albanian one. My day couldn't get any better. Hi.
Hello, welcome.
Just the ticket, the one
Oh,
in your
okay.
national park.
And with your phones, you listen the history of the training.
Thank you.
Right? Bienvenida.
I thought you were on your own.
So they didn't let us take pictures with the guys because we have to pay for it. So, I mean, I would pay for it, but I want to take one with my camera, so I'm sad.
Comenzamos a escuchar la historia del antiguo tren de los presos. Now we are listening the history of...
¿Por ahí está bien? Sí. Ok. Listo. Gracias.
We're out of the train and this is the first stop. You can see it's extremely crowded. The struggle is real. Too many people. You cannot take videos or photos in peace. Like everybody's photobombing your pictures or videos. You take a picture? It's a video. Show off. That was the other train leaving. All I can say, just enjoy the views. These are amazing. Yeah, I cannot believe I'm here. I've always wanted to come in this place, and here I am. I just got my picture, the one that I took earlier, but you can see here one of the guys is holding my camera because they would not let me record. But it's a very nice picture. So I got this for $10 or 2,500 Argentinian pesos, which was a good deal for me. I mean, it's a memory, you should take it definitely. So there it is. I'm so happy. I'm very happy with my picture. It was a very nice shot. We took all those stairs just to come and see the waterfall. I'm catching up on my breath. That's Ronella over there, not missing a single spot to take a picture. Don't fall! How was the water?
So cold. Not really cold. It won't be, but for me it's so cold. I'm from South Africa, guys. So this is extremely cold. I'm thinking to put my feet on the water on the lake, actually. Right?
Yeah, Leslie's from Chile. She's never cold.
It's never cold.
So we just heard the whistle. That's a sign to go back to the train. I'm watching down because I don't want to miss a single step. I don't want to break my head here. That would be a tragedy. But it was very nice. Such a nice experience. Now on our way to the second stop. The girls are down there. They're quicker than me.
Hi, sorry.
We found our cabin. My jacket was here. And we made it back and we are ready for the next stop. So, okay, wait to see what's coming up next.
Ushuaia stay here, near to the Beagle Channel, yes, in this point. So now we are visiting the national park just in this corner, in this one. So we are very near to Chile, to the border with Chile. So this black line is the border with Chile, and this black line too. Yeah, through the Beagle Channel and through the land. Yeah.
The rain started like an hour ago and it's still not stopping. It's just, you know, it's a little, but you know, it's it could have been better, not that I'm complaining. Some interesting facts that I wanted to share with you about Ushuaia is that the region is called Tierra del Fuego. So it's a land of fire, and Ushuaia is the capital. Now, the reason why it's called the land of fire, I actually asked my tour guide if there was a story behind it, and the story was that when the first immigrants came to Ushuaia, they saw that the natives, they were all living naked with no clothes, and obviously because of the cold they had to make these huge fires, and that was the reason it's called La Tierra del Fuego, because of the fires everywhere to keep the people warm. That was very interesting to me. We had only 15 minutes time to explore this place, so we're heading back to our bus. The tour guide is waiting there for us. Look, everybody just leaving.
And I'm freezing.
You're wearing 3 layers of clothes, you cannot be freezing.
I'm freezing, I'm from Argentina.
Our train ride, it was very quick. You are advised that the train ride is not going to be long, it is short, but before we entered the train we were given these headphones, and the headphones, the purpose of that was to listen to the history of Ushuaia and the Ushuaian jail. Very interesting. Actually, the first part of the trip I was not wearing the headphones because I was busy taking pictures and videos, but the story was very interesting. It was basically about how the Ushuaian jail was directly or indirectly connected to the city itself. Basically it was one, so the people who were not in jail were like actually working for the jail. Very interesting story. I wish I was more informed so I could tell you more, but I only heard it my second part of the trip, and well, it was very interesting. That's all I have to say. That's our bus right over here. The bad thing about tours is that you don't have that much time to spend in a place, but the great thing is you get to visit a lot of places. So they all have their advantage and disadvantages. If you can hear me, that place over there, this is the most southern post office. You can get your passport stamped if you have it with you. I don't have mine, they keep mine in the ship, but I will try to get my picture stamp, the one that I took earlier. So let's see if they're open. It's closed! But that's fine because I have a backup plan. I know that there is one near to the port, and I will try that out because I'm not leaving without a stamp. It's going to be in my picture that I took earlier, but that's fine. At least I will have a stamp. Look at the... It's extremely windy. You can see my hair, they're all over. Guys, I had the most amazing experience. Thank you, Ushuaia. I'm so proud of myself for taking this tour. And now I think it's time to go back to our ship. Just one last glimpse before I leave. And this is pretty much it. We're basically at the end of the wall, at the end of the world, and behind this island that's pretty much nothing. It's Antarctica, and that's my goal, to get rich and go to Antarctica someday. The girls there, they go inside. By the way, Ushuaia, it's a name given by the natives, and it means the end of the bay. We are in the bus. Right now we're crossing the national park. Something very interesting that the tour guide told us was that they have a lot of beavers over here. Now, the beavers were initially brought from Canada because they did not have beavers here. But something very interesting and it's worth mentioning is that the beavers, they grow up to 1 meter and 20 centimeters long, and they weigh around 62 kilograms. They go less than that, but that's the biggest they ever caught, I would say, and that was very interesting. It's basically my size. And the reason why the beavers were brought here was because well, the people who did brought them, they thought it was going to be a good business because of their fur. Little did they know that the beavers were fed differently in Canada, and the food that they found here was obviously quite different. So yeah, at the end they figured out it was not a good business. We were walking across the city just to find this place, so our tour guide was super generous with us today. She gave us water from the glacier. She gave us a cookie called alfajor, which is basically a cookie filled with dulce de leche. Sorry, my hair is everywhere. So it's filled with dulce de leche and it's covered in chocolate. In this shop, she gave us a free voucher to get hot chocolate. But I didn't only get hot chocolate, I got some more alfajores, which are super delicious. And now it's time to get back to the ship. My girls are in front of me. Guys, I'm just outside of the ship. I don't want to go out from the terminal because it's super windy and my hair, it's all over the place. But I want to thank you so much for watching this vlog. This was my first Ushuaia, and I have one more Ushuaia before we head to Alaska. I hope I can make it. But for now, I just want to say thank you so much. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and ciao for now.